Have you ever wondered how some aquariums turn into lush underwater jungles while others remain sparse and uninviting? Today, we dive deep into the world of fast-growing aquarium plants that can transform your tank from bland to breathtaking. Imagine stepping into a serene space where vibrant greens cascade over driftwood and stone, creating a mesmerizing aquatic tapestry. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthy ecosystem right in your living room. Staying tuned until the end of this video will not only show you how to achieve this, but will also ensure your aquatic plants thrive, bringing more life and color to your aquatic setup. Before we delve deeper into the specifics of fast-growing species, it's crucial to understand the fundamental needs of aquatic plants. Just like terrestrial plants, those in your aquarium rely heavily on light, nutrients, and the right water conditions to flourish. Lighting. One of the most critical factors for plant growth is lighting. Fast-growing plants often require more intense light to support their speedy development. LED lights with full spectrum capabilities are ideal as they provide all the necessary wavelengths and can be adjusted according to the needs of specific plants. Nutrients. Aquatic plants absorb nutrients from their water environment, which means maintaining a balanced nutrient profile is essential. This includes macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as micronutrients such as iron and magnesium. Regularly testing your water and using appropriate fertilizers can prevent deficiencies that stunt growth and affect plant health. Water conditions, temperature, pH, and hardness all play significant roles in plant health. Most aquatic plants thrive in temperatures between 72 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. Keeping these parameters stable with regular water changes and proper filtration ensures a conducive environment for growth. Let's explore some of the most popular fast-growing plants that can add vibrancy and life to your aquarium quickly. Anacharis. This plant is a favorite among beginners due to its easy care and rapid growth rate. It helps keep the tank clean by absorbing excess nutrients and providing oxygen. Water Wisteria. Known for its beautiful lace-like leaves, water wisteria can adapt to various water conditions and grows very quickly, making it an excellent choice for new aquarists. Duckweed. Although considered a nuisance in some tanks, duckweed grows extremely fast and can be useful for shading plants below and absorbing unwanted nutrients. Hornwort. As a free-floating plant or a rooted plant, hornwort is highly adaptable and grows back even after being eaten by fish, making it a durable option for any tank. To ensure your fast-growing plants thrive, setting up your aquarium properly is paramount. Substrate. A nutrient-rich substrate will provide your plants with the essential nutrients they need to grow quickly and healthily. Options such as aquasoil or substrates enriched with clay and organic matter are ideal. Arrangement. When planting, consider the mature size of the plants to avoid overcrowding. Fast-growing plants will need more space between them as they will fill in quickly. Filtration. Efficient filtration is key to maintaining clear water and removing debris that can stifle plant growth. A filter with adjustable flow rates is preferable, as too strong a current can damage delicate plants. Maintaining optimal water parameters is not just about keeping your fish healthy, it also impacts the growth rate and health of your plants. Regular testing for ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and pH levels can help you adjust your tank's environment to better suit the needs of your plants. Adding CO2 systems can significantly boost the growth of your aquatic plants by providing them with the carbon dioxide they need for photosynthesis. To maximize growth and health in your fast-growing aquarium plants, proper planting techniques are essential. Here's how to get your plants off to the best start. Planting depth. Different plants require different planting depths. Stem plants should be planted deep enough to anchor their roots while allowing the crown to remain above the substrate to prevent rot. Spacing. Give your plants plenty of space to grow. Fast-growing plants can quickly overcrowd an area, which can lead to reduced light and nutrient availability for each plant. proper spacing ensures all plants receive adequate resources. Root care. When planting, be gentle with the roots. Trim any damaged or excessively long roots to promote healthier growth. For plants with rhizomes, such as Anubias or Java fern, ensure the rhizome itself is not buried, as this can cause the plant to rot. Fast-growing plants require regular maintenance to keep them healthy and prevent them from overtaking your aquarium. Pruning. Regular pruning not only keeps your aquarium looking tidy, but also encourages new growth. Cut back any overgrown branches to maintain the desired shape and size. Propagation. Many fast-growing plants can be easily propagated by cuttings. This involves cutting a portion of the plant and replanting it, which can help you fill out your aquascape more economically. Nutrient balance. Keep an eye on nutrient levels, especially in heavily planted tanks. Fast-growing plants can deplete nutrients quickly, so supplementing with fertilizers may be necessary to maintain a balanced nutrient profile. Even the best-kept aquariums can encounter issues. Here are some common problems with fast-growing plants and how to address them. Algae growth. Excessive light or nutrients can lead to algae growth on your plants. Controlling light exposure and maintaining nutrient balance can help minimize this issue. Yellowing leaves. If you notice yellowing leaves, this could be a sign of nutrient deficiency. Iron supplements are often beneficial for restoring the lush green color of your plants. Slow growth. If your plants are not growing as fast as expected, consider adjusting your lighting or CO2 levels. Inadequate light or CO2 can hinder the growth of aquatic plants. Aquascaping is the art of arranging aquatic plants, rocks and substrates in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Fast-growing plants offer the advantage of quickly filling in the aquascape, providing a lush backdrop that can be shaped according to your vision. Design tips. Use taller plants in the background. Plant the tallest plants towards the back of your tank to create depth and perspective. Layer with medium and short plants. Use medium height plants in the middle and shorter plants in the foreground to create a natural layered look. Incorporate hardscape. Rocks and driftwood can add structure to your aquascape and provide attachment points for mosses and other plants. Creating a balanced and beautiful aquascape is not just about placing plants at random, but about considering the overall composition and how the plants will grow over time. Adjusting your care routine with the changing seasons is crucial for maintaining the health and vigor of your aquarium plants. Spring, light increase. As natural light levels increase, adjust your artificial lighting to mimic this seasonal change. Fertilization boost. With plants entering a growth spurt, increase fertilization slightly to support new growth. Pruning. Trim plants back to manage growth and remove any winter die-off, preparing the tank for new sprouts. Summer. Temperature control. Ensure the tank doesn't overheat. Consider a chiller if room temperatures rise above 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Algae management. Increased light and nutrients can lead to algae blooms, so monitor closely and adjust as needed. Water top-offs. More frequent top-offs may be necessary due to increased evaporation. Fall. Reduced lighting. Gradually decrease light hours to mimic the natural shortening of days. Nutrient adjustment. Scale back on fertilization as plant growth slows. Prepare for dormancy. Some plants may enter a dormant phase. Research your specific species for any special care requirements. Winter. Stable temperatures. Keep heating consistent to avoid stress from temperature fluctuations. Light reduction. Continue with reduced lighting if natural light is diminished. Maintenance. Use this slower growth period for detailed maintenance and planning any changes for the spring resurgence. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and tricks on keeping your aquarium healthy and vibrant. Happy fish keeping!